What's up, guys? It's your boy Detail Daddy, and I'm here today. We're gonna do a quick little video. I just got another order in from Stay Fresh Car Care. Like I said in my last video, I got one last week as well, so I'm gonna show you a little bit of what came in there. But we should have some new product in here today, so I want to do a little bit of an unboxing video and kind of show you guys exactly what came in it. So let's get started here. There we go. So you can see my ugly mug. I don't know, we're gonna cut it open here. We're gonna get this opened up here. Give you a little bit of a glimpse. A little bit of receipt action in there. Y'all don't need to know where I live. Y'all don't need to know where I live. Unless you want to come get a detail, then I will tell you exactly where I live. So, some fancy sprayers. Ignore the alcohol in the background. Am I a little bit of an alcoholic? No. I'm a purveyor of all alcohols. So, as you guys can see here, I did order some of this titanium as we introduced in my other video. I love this stuff, and the customers seem to love it as well, so that's why we got a little bit extra here. Because we're blowing through it and need to stock up on some more. So, in addition to that, look at that. We are going to be doing a little bit of a review here on this X-Foam. You guys did see I used Mr. Pink in my detail video, but this is super foamy. So we're going to use this in our next detail, and it should be looking super great. That way you get that thick coverage of the suds, and that helps loosen up all that dirt and kind of drag it down. That way when you use your microfiber to clean, it makes it a hell of a lot easier because it'll just come right off with it. So, in addition, we got our silica spray, which, again, if you recall from our last detailing video, is that boost spray. So this will be used in conjunction after a wash, after putting ceramic on, or this ceramic infused wax, to add to that protection and prolong the life of it. So you get to keep that high end of the spectrum when it comes to how long that stuff will last. I did get 2 bottles. We have a detail on Saturday that we're going to be doing some ceramic coating. So I will be giving my customer one of these bottles. I will be making a video out of that as well. It's a brand new car, so there won't be a ton of polishing involved. We will polish it just to brighten the paint up and everything, but it's brand new, so it should be real easy. So in addition to that, I'm gonna dig through all these peanuts. Peanuts! Call me Peanut. God, throwing them everywhere. I'm making a mess. I'm making a huge mess. Come on now. Come on now! Hang on. We're having technical difficulties. We got 2 new microfiber mitts. I'm doing multiple details in a day. I want to be able to swap them out because I don't want to potentially have any of that grit and everything from the previous detail on there, embedded in there, and then put that on the new vehicle. So this will help me. Obviously I have new ones, so they'll be fresh and clean, but it gives me the opportunity to do multiple details in a day as well without messing up any paint. So we're going to move this box out of the way. From last week, we got some new buffing pads here. So these are finishing pads, microfiber finishing pads. So those will be used for waxes and sealants. I'll even put glaze on these as well. So I got some new pads, and then we got some microfiber buffing pads. So these will be used when I'm doing that polishing stage. So they're nice and soft, but I will be able to polish on there. It's gonna come in handy. And then additionally, we have our adapter pad here that we'll put on the face of the polisher, and then that will be used to connect to these pads. So we got that. And additionally, I got my first shipment of ceramic coating in. So this is the HCC9 from Stay Fresh Car Care. As you can see here, It has a 5-year warranty on it. I mean, this stuff is going to be fantastic. So it should last anywhere between 3 and 5 years, which is great. It's going to give high gloss. It's going to protect that paint definitely more than this ceramic infused wax. This is a traditional ceramic coating, so we're going to unbox it here and I'll show you what all comes in the kit. It comes with some directions too, and those are out in the garage. But you get microfiber towel. I'll put that right here. You get 2 microfiber towels. Woo! It comes with surface prep, so you use this, like it says, to remove, polish, wax, and sealant. So that's like that. This is the expel stuff that I have out in the garage as well. That'll take all those oils off before you put this down, and that way it has the best possible surface to adhere to. And then you have your foam block that you will wrap. They're not in here. They're in the other box. But they come with little microfiber towels, and that's what you use to... You will put the ceramic coating on those little microfiber towels and then wrap it around the block. As you see here, this is the ceramic coating itself. So, comes in this little vial. You don't need, you only apply a couple drops at a time to that microfiber, and you know, little 2x2 section. But that is all what comes in a kit here. So that's the unboxing video. I will be recording a video in 2 days. So I'll be doing the detail on Saturday. I don't know if I'll get the video out on Saturday because I will be super tired from it. That should take about 4 hours or so. Just because it is a new car and that paint is fresh, it should not require a ton of work. But we'll show you the before, we'll show you the during, and then we'll definitely show you the results. And it should be looking great. I mean, the gloss and the paint should be fantastic. But like I said, it has all that coating on there. It's going to be hydrophobic, so all that water will run off. And then the great thing about this, besides it lasting 3 to 5 years, it's scratch resistant. But if you get any dirt and grime on there, because it is so hydrophobic, it's an easy clean. You hit it with a hose or a pressure washer, you take all that stuff off, and then you throw some Boost on there, and you're good to go. And this eliminates having to wax and all that good stuff. You don't have to use sealant, you don't have to use wax, because that paint is protected from the UV rays, and the surface is locked in because of that ceramic coating. So it should be great. Like I said, head on over to Stay Fresh Car Care Products if you would like to get your hands on these. I'm a huge fan. I mean, I don't get paid. I don't work for them. I'm just a guy who uses their products, and I am seriously impressed with them. So I am out here trying to push their name, and I want to see them be successful, right? Because anybody who takes care of me, I'd like to be able to take care of them in return. So head on over there if you like what you see with these products, and we'll see you guys in the next video.